So now I will show you how to do a factory network unlock. In my opinion, this is the most valuable way to unlock your phone, and once you have an unlocked phone, you will be able to resell it at a higher price, and your phone will be compatible worldwide with all carriers. The first thing we have to do is to disable Find My iPhone, so simply go to Settings, scroll down where it says iCloud, and scroll all the way down where it says Find My iPhone. Make sure it is completely off, so you can turn it back on once your iPhone has been unlocked successfully. Alright, so then we have to get the IMEI number. Simply open your dial pad and type *#06#. So as you will see, your 15-digit IMEI number will appear. You can also find this number on the back part of the box of your phone or also in the SIM card tray. Alright, so this is by far the most important part of the whole unlocking process. Now keep this number somewhere close as we will need it in a few seconds to unlock this phone. Alright, so now we're gonna use the computer. iTunes saying congratulations, your iPhone has been unlocked. Boom, there you go guys, your phone is now fully factory unlocked and now it's compatible worldwide with all carriers. You should get a full signal on your new carrier. And that's it guys, that's how we unlock an iPhone 7. That's all for today guys. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment and I'll try to help you as soon as I can. By the way guys, we're also giving away a free iPhone 7, completely sealed, brand new phone. You can find the instructions on how to enter the giveaway in the next video. Thanks for watching guys, take care.
What's up guys, David here, and today we have a drop test between last year's iPhone 6s and the all-new iPhone 7 to see not only how each phone performs, but maybe even more importantly, to see whether or not Apple improved the durability of their latest flagship. But before we get to the test, I want to give a big shout out to Tech21 for sponsoring today's video. So the good folks at Tech21 sent us a couple of their new cases and asked us to do what we do best and test them with the iPhone 7. And when we did, their Evo Tactical Extreme case handled the back, bottom, side, and face drops like a boss. As you can see here, while there are only a few scuff marks on the case itself, underneath, the iPhone 7 is still flawless. No dings, no dents, and most importantly, no cracked screen. This is thanks to the Flex Shock material found inside of the case, which absorbs and dissipates the impact force and prevents it from passing into your device. The Evo Tactical Extreme is available for both the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus in a number of different color options, so click on that first link down below in the description to learn more. Alright, let's get right into the drop test. Round number 1, backdrop. 3, 2, 1. After that backdrop, both phones get a few scuff marks along their 7000 series aluminum bodies, but for the most part, nothing too serious. It does look a bit worse on the iPhone 7, but that's mainly due to the color difference here, so we're gonna have to call it a tie in round number 1. Round number 2, bottom drop. 3, 2, 1. Okay, both phones handled that bottom drop really well. The small little scratches each phone suffered are only visible under direct light like we have it here, but in normal conditions you can barely even see them, making it a draw in round number 2. Round number 3, side drop. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that's a good drop. So same old story once again. Because the designs on both phones are nearly identical, so are the results here in the third round. The scuffs are more visible on the matte black color option once again, which I imagine would be the same for the jet black color option on the iPhone 7 as well. But in terms of actual damage, it's a tie here in round number 3. Round number 4, face drop. 3, 2, 1. And the iPhone screen cracks after that face drop just like it did on the iPhone 6s. What's interesting here though is that while the spiderweb pattern is different on each phone, in terms of total damage they did about the same. So it looks like Apple isn't using the new Gorilla Glass 5 and instead is using the same glass that they used on the 6s, making round number 4 a tie once again. Bonus round. Okay, so with both phones surviving all 4 drops with ties across the board, it'll come down to this bonus round to determine a winner. Last time, the iPhone 6s was able to survive 5 additional drops in the bonus round before giving out. So today, we'll see how many drops the iPhone 7 can take before it technically can't make a phone call.
And go.
See glass coming off.
Still works. Still works. Alright. Was that 4?
It'll match the
Survive.
iPhone 6s.
If it dies here, it matches. If it passes, then it wins. I go. Okay.
And 3, 2, 1.
Still working. I saw the glow.
All right. Well, now it's definitely better than the iPhone 6s.
And 3, 2, 1.
I think it's still working.
Yep. Oh.
Okay.
We are very close to dying. It looks like it's still working, didn't it?
Oh,
I saw
man,
the
it could be on still. I mean, it's.
Oh my god, it's like bleeding into the very edge.
Okay.
So if we really need to make a call. Ooh. I don't know, I can't, it's not really usable. It's not usable.
Okay, while the screen kind of still works, that whole right side is unusable and is registering random touches, making it almost impossible to make a phone call. So while it didn't get knocked out cold like the iPhone 6s did after 5 bonus drops, it is a technical knockout here after 8 drops for the iPhone 7, which gives the iPhone 7 the slight edge over the iPhone 6s in our rankings, making it the 5th most durable smartphone we have ever tested here on the channel. Anyways, that is it for me in this video. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the very next episode.